Right. We got the Tundra tire out. What year is the Tundra?
No, there's no Tundra.
Oh, what is
It's
it?
a Forerunner.
Forerunner. What year?
Oh, I don't know. It might be
All right. So
2000.
1 inch slice right there.
2018
So we've grinded off, and then now we're gonna take the battery.
19.
Okay. And then we're gonna vacuum, and then we're gonna put some cement, rubber cement on there, and we're gonna put in this radial patch. There's ones that are like double the size, but I don't have it, so we'll see. Well, I probably do have it, but I don't know where it is. It's okay, just hold it. It'll still work. The other thing is, before you take this tire off, make sure you mark where you came out of the rim. That way you don't have to balance it. It's good? All right. So make sure you mark the tire where you came off. So you don't have to rebalance this tire. All right. Hold the camera. The lens is right here. We're gonna put some rubber cement on here. Let it chill for like 2-3 minutes. So just if you put it too thick, it takes a long time to dry. And even though it says it's rubber cement, some people think it's glue, but it's a vulcanizing agent, like a catalyst. It makes the rubber of the patch melt with the tire rubber, and they become somewhat of a similar material. And good thing this is like right in the center versus on the edge over here. And the reason is, when it's on the edge, when this thing sponges in and out, the air will leak. But on this, the air is always pushing down, so it always makes it flat. So imagine this patch right here. The air is always pushing down, so it's always making good contact. Versus if it's on the side right here, and when the tire squishes, it'll make a little crease here like this, and the air will escape. So hence, people don't repair sidewalls. Let's give it a little bit more around the perimeter. Let that dry for a little bit, and then after I put it on, I'm gonna take one of these pizza things, or these things to roll for the window screens, like your fly trap things for your window screen, and just go back and forth in one direction like this, and then turn it 90 degrees, go to the other one, and pull the piece of plastic out, and then we're good.
You want to turn the radio on? You wait. Your phone's still on.
Oh, okay, let's turn it off.